everyone, how are you doing? So today a Walmart beauty box showed up in my mailbox. I feel like I haven't gotten this in multiple seasons. I don't even know. So I'm not sure if this is summer or fall. Someone told me they ship towards the end of the seasons because like September, you know, everyone's getting into their fall like pumpkin spice latte type of mindset, whatever. So I'm not sure what this will be, but anyways, if you do not know what Walmart Beauty Box is, it is seasonal, as I kind of suggested. So it comes every season, I think. I seriously don't remember last time I received this. It's definitely been like over 3 months, but it is only $5. So you pretty much like essentially only pay for shipping and you get to try out a bunch of beauty samples. And it actually does go by a profile. So I will link them down below if you're interested. I can't promise when you'll get a box because I swear, I have to look and see when I last posted a video. Maybe my perception of time is just way off, but anyways, let's see what we got in here today. I have not peeked inside, just in this like white basic box. I guess it has like that Walmart logo on there, Walmart Beauty. Before we get unboxing, just want to let you guys know I do have a couple giveaways going on our channel. They're both beauty giveaways, so you can win some makeup and skincare and all good stuff like that. So I will link those giveaway videos down below. So there's a giveaway in my Ipsy Plus and in my Boxy Luxe video. So watch those videos to figure out how you can win both of those giveaways and the 20th. So depending on when you're watching this, you have some time to enter. And as always, my giveaways are open internationally, but yeah, I think that's about it. Everything's down below in the description box. So let's get unboxing. When I open it up, this is what I see, and it says, "Hello Sunshine," so I'm guessing it's summer. Yeah, hello Sunshine. And I guess you can take a survey to potentially win a $100 gift card. That would be great to have $100 to Walmart. I get my groceries through Walmart now, Walmart grocery pickup, life-changing. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I'll link down below my like referral code that'll get you $10 off your first order. So yeah, it makes shopping so much better. I won't get into it, but oh, I'm really excited. Okay, I see something I really like. I'll just start with that. So I actually use this razor, so it's always nice to have another one. This is the Schick Intuition Fab razor, and I love this so much. And this is definitely more than $5, so box is already a win for me. But I love this razor because you can go back and forth on your legs. It's just such a quick shave. It's like seriously changed shaving for me. Like I really hate shaving. I'm really blonde in my hair doesn't grow very fast, so I'm very fortunate. I don't have to do it like every day, but this seriously is great, and you don't have to worry about getting cut. Like you can seriously go back and forth. Like, see they even say it on there? It is awesome. So on the back it says, "Safely shave forward and back without lifting the razor from your skin. Top blade shave up, bottom blade shave down. Advanced moisture gel for effortless glide." Yeah, I totally recommend this razor. Like, love it so much. So excited to get another one. So at least I can use one thing, because I'm guessing there's gonna be some non-cruelty free items in here. This is how it tends to be. Like Tresemme, I'm pretty sure this dry shampoo I cannot use, but I think that's great that they included dry shampoo, especially for a summer box, even though it's almost fall. I guess it's technically summer, so I'll let them slide. But this, it's always nice to get that because, you know, I feel like you're more likely to need dry shampoo in the summer, or it's just me. But this says, "Between washes, volumizing instantly refreshes and revives hair." So this will be going in my giveaway drawer because I'm pretty positive that Tresemme is not cruelty free, and neither is Curel. I feel I've gotten this before in a box, so there's some repeats in here. But again, it's $5. So the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I went through 2 of these, so I like won one of them in a giveaway, and I also received one in a previous Walmart beauty box. And what you do is like once you turn off the water in your shower before drying off, you put this on, and apparently the water like activates it. So it says, "Apply daily and experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. Water activated moisture works deep into skin surface, helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide complex, immediately absorbs and completely greaseless." So I did like using this. I used up 2 bottles of it, so one of you guys will eventually be able to use it too, because I'm pretty sure I can't use Curel products anymore. But yeah, I guess this is kind of nice. I can like give some feedback on the items that I've tried before. All right, looks like we've got some like foil packets. So Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean, Grapeseed Extract, 5-in-1 Cleansing Power. I think I've gotten this in the past too. But you know, it's possible I could have gotten this in a Target beauty box, because I feel like we get stuff like that in here too. So you just add water. But yeah, I've definitely tried one of these before. Oh, I haven't used a pore strip in a while. I have been meaning to ask you guys, do you know any cruelty-free, like Biore type strips, like pore, like what are they called? Ultra deep cleansing pore strips, you know, to remove the blackheads in your nose. I used to use them like once or twice a week, and I haven't used them in a while, ever since I ran out of my Biore strips, and I've got blackheads all over, so I definitely need to find a new brand to use. So if you guys know any cruelty-free pore strips, please let me know in the comment section. But anyways, this is one I've never tried. This is witch hazel. So I've tried their regular ones before and they really do work. So what you do is you just wet your nose, put these on, wait like 10 minutes or like whenever it feels hard, and just peel it off, and you can like examine it. It's kind of like the most satisfying thing to examine your Biore strip. Like, I kind of miss it. Sounds gross, it's gross I guess, but just seeing all the junk that comes out of your nose and your pores, like, yeah, very satisfying. So this is cool to get in here. Next up, by Freeman, Feeling Beautiful, Detoxifying Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. This is for normal to combo skin. It's a 10-minute mask and it's supposed to instantly remove impurities and nourishes for renewed skin. Cool, that's fun to get a mask. I think it feels like it's a sheet mask, or what is it? No, wait, no, it's mud mask. This velvety mud mask works as magic to moisturize, remineralize, and make skin sensationally soft. Activated charcoal helps lift away oils and toxins without over drying skin. My cat's trying to get in the closet right now. Fiona, here baby. So awesome. I'd have to look into this brand, but it sounds good. And then that is it. Then we have like some paperwork stuff. I always say paperwork, some paper. So there's something that talks more about the Biore Witch Hazel Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. So yeah, I really don't know what the Witch Hazel does. It doesn't talk about any differences in there. It just explains how it cleans your pores. And then it talks about the razor. So they're not like any coupon codes or anything like that, but I think this was totally worth $5, even though I can't even use anything myself, because of this razor, which I love this razor so much. I'll link this down below if you guys want to just get the razor. It is seriously like game-changing in the shaving world, so I love this. So excited to have another one. I don't really need the bottom part of it, I just need more like razors, but that's okay. Maybe I'll put this in the trail of it. No, I'll probably just put this in my shower, but so excited. You guys have to let me know if you tried this. Isn't it great? We got this, which made the box for me. Dry shampoo, Curel shower stuff, the Olay daily facial, the mud mask, and the Biore strip, all for $5. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll link that down below. I'll link my giveaways down below. I'll link the razor down below. What else did I say? I always link down below my social media handles. So if you want to catch up in between videos, you can always find me pretty much on like Instagram stories or Snapchat. Yeah, I'm pretty much glued to my phone, so let's chat, let's be friends. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!